All right, Wednesday, May 23rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Been gradually trying to nurse my voice back to health, so been taking a little break from the videos of the past few days overall. But going to get back into it today and talk about what's going to be another pretty unsettled day. Now, we had a lot of showers and thunderstorms across the region yesterday with a number of hail and wind reports across the Carolinas, up into Virginia, down into Georgia and Florida too. Also, the other clustering of severe weather was up into parts of the Dakotas. Now, the radar this morning, around 5 o'clock, one batch of rain over the northern parts of North Carolina and Virginia. That is what's left of that big mass of rain and storms that moved through the area yesterday evening into last night. Now, what's going to be a story for us this weekend is this building warmth. It's getting quite warm here with the Plains states, and all that warmth developing eastward in a summer-like weekend ahead across the southeast. Now, there's your severe weather outlook today, a slight risk near the Carolina coast, but anybody, again, fair game to see an isolated strong or severe storm. Also, locally heavy rain and a lot of lightning with any of these storms that develop again today. Upper level low sitting right overhead, and that is basically featuring some cold temperatures aloft. As you heat up the atmosphere, it's pretty easy to get some showers and thunderstorms going during the heating of the day. But look what happens here as we get into Saturday. Big ridge over the Mississippi Valley moving into the Carolinas, and that's going to really crank the heat. Now, nothing extreme over much of the Carolinas, but it will get pretty hot when you get further to the west of the mountains. But I do think a lot of the 90 to 91 degree highs probably across the Carolinas, and even warmer down into South Carolina especially. All right, today, scattered showers and thunderstorms, highs in the lower side of the 80s. The chance of a few showers and storms still with us tomorrow, although it begins to taper off just a bit. Now we go on out to Friday. I'm going to go with a dry forecast for Friday. And by Friday, we're looking at upper 80s, maybe a few 90-degree readings for highs on Friday. And then everybody has a good chance of hitting 90 outside of the mountains and outside of the foothills by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday. Now, I think the GFS is a little bit overdone with this shower and storm activity you see. There might be some mountain storms go up, but I think outside of the mountains, the rain chances this weekend pretty low. Same deal for Sunday there. Now we get into Monday. Still looks like another pretty hot and dry day. I wanted to show you how the European unfolds things this weekend. There's Saturday on the European, there's Sunday, and finally there's Monday. And it keeps things much drier than the GFS, and I think it's more toward the correct side of things. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.